Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing great. So, today we're going to talk about one of the basic and most important topic in our trading industry, and that is about premium arrays and discount arrays. Understanding what is premium arrays and what is discount arrays will definitely help you in increasing your trading edge. So now the question arises, what is premium arrays and what is discount arrays? If any array that we are marking is above than the current running price, then that is our premium array. And if any array that we are marking is below than the current running price, then that is our discount array. For example, if any fair value gap, order block, mitigation block, breaker block, or swing points is above than currently running price, then they are our premium arrays. And if any fair value gap, order block, mitigation block, or breaker block, or swing points is below than the current running price, then they will be our discount arrays. For example, this fair value gap is premium array because this fair value gap is above than the currently running price, and this swing low is discount array because this swing low is below than the currently running price. Now you need to understand we are just focusing on the following arrays, and they are fair value gap, order block, mitigation block, breaker block, swing points, and previous candle highs and previous candle lows. Now you need to understand every premium and discount array have a power to pull the price and push the price because these array are the points where the big boys like to add bulky orders and unload their previous past orders. So we will talk about this concept in order flow video in depth. So let's practice some of the examples. Okay. So now I am currently at gold chart at daily time frame, and here you can see this swing high are premium arrays because these swing highs are above than the currently traded price, right? So this order block is also premium array because this is also above than the currently traded price, right? So these order block and these swing points are premium arrays. Likewise, this swing low is a discount array because this swing low is below than the currently traded price, right? So now let's talk about next example. Here I am currently at GBP USD chart at a daily time frame, and here you can see this fair value gap, these order blocks, and these swing points are premium arrays because they are above than the currently traded price, right? And these swing points are discount arrays because this swing point is below than the currently traded price. So if we have any order block, any fair value gap below than the currently traded price, then these arrays will be our discount arrays, right? That's it for today, guys. Now I think you know about what is premium arrays and what is discount arrays, right? You may have a question regarding how to mark the arrays correctly. For that, I will make video on that particular topic very soon. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss any future content. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.